In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a tick symbol in Microsoft Excel. The tick symbol, also known as a check mark, is a symbol for yes. To insert the tick symbol, you can use the Insert Symbol feature. First, place the cursor where you want to insert the check mark symbol. Navigate to the Insert tab, and in the Symbols group, select the Symbol option. In the symbol dialog box that appears right next to font, select the Wingdings option from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the symbols and click the tick sign. Click Insert and close the dialog box. Once you've used the tick symbol, it automatically appears in the recently used symbols list in the symbol dialog box. The second way to insert the tick symbol is by using a keyboard shortcut. Place the cursor where you want to insert the tick symbol. Navigate to the Home tab, and in the Font group, type Wingdings in the font selection box. Then on your keyboard, press Alt plus 0252. Please keep in mind that this method works only for keyboards that include a 10 key. Please note that this mark is a static symbol. If you're looking for an interactive checkbox that you can click to check or uncheck, see our other tutorial about inserting a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. The tutorial is called How to Insert a Clickable Checkbox in Microsoft Excel, and the link is in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.